In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly compare two Microsoft Word documents using Copilot. If you often work with multiple versions of the same file, this can be a huge time saver. Instead of manually scanning line by line to find edits, you can let Copilot do the heavy lifting and give you a clear summary of the key differences. To get started, open the main Word document that you want to analyze on your computer. This should be the document you're currently working in and the one you want Copilot to use as the primary reference point. Make sure the file is fully open in Microsoft Word before moving on. Next, go to the Home tab in the top ribbon and click the Copilot button. This opens the Copilot pane, usually along the side of the Word window. If this is your first time using it, give it a moment to load. The pane is where you'll enter your request and interact with Copilot directly. Once the Copilot pane is open, click into the chat box. Here, type a / so you can reference a second document. Word will display a list of available files you can choose from. Select the document you want to compare against the one you already have open. Be sure to choose the correct version, especially if the file names are similar, since this will affect the comparison results. After that, type a clear prompt into the message box. For example, you can write, compare this open document with the referenced document and highlight the main differences. The clearer your request is, the more useful Copilot's response will usually be. A direct instruction helps it focus on the comparison rather than giving a broader summary. Now click the Send button and wait while Copilot scans both files. Depending on the size and complexity of the documents, this may take a few moments. Copilot will then generate a summary of the changes it finds, making it much easier to spot edits, revisions, or content updates. When the results appear, review the generated list of differences carefully. Copilot may summarize changes in wording, structure, or content, depending on what was updated between the two files. If you want to dig deeper, you can ask follow-up questions in the same pane to get more detail about specific sections or changes that matter most to you. That's it. You now know how to easily compare Word documents and save time using Copilot.